City, Midnight Society, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Camsur Eye Center, Glass House Beach Resort, Safeside Transport, Nalabahan Laundry Shop, 3M Bakery, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Garden Cafe, El Chico Smokehouse, St. Jude Animal Bike Center, Paul's Catering, Warning Catering, Paraprint Digital Printing Services, Zona Uno, Taste of Spice, Tansyahan Foods, 101 Mall, Lotus Blue Hotel, CBD Plaza Hotel, and Ruffian's Tavern Bar and Lounge.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation. But we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs,